Welcome to the Maestro Sersea podcast, where English learners worldwide learn and increase fluency in American English. As an English learner who moved to the United States of America more than 40 years ago, I began learning American English with the guidance and encouragement of my teachers. As an American English teacher, with over 30 years of experience teaching English learners in California, USA, I know that learning English is neither easy nor simple. Learning English takes discipline, motivation, and hard work. Let's work together to help you succeed.
Welcome to the Learn American English with Maestro Sersea podcast. For the next few months, our podcasts published on Fridays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's ebook, Weekend Road Trips in Southern California, United States of America. In addition, during each Friday episode, we'll also include an informative article on each of the 50 American states, inspired by Maestro Sersea's book published on Amazon titled 300 American English Dialogues for English Learners. Let's talk and learn about states of the USA. Are you ready? Let's begin.
You are listening to the ebook Weekend Road Trips in Southern California, United States of America by Maestro Sersea. Today we will focus on Chapter 9, Exploring the Wine Country, including subchapter, Temecula Valley Wine Country. You can also read this text online and interact with our artificial intelligence chatbot by visiting the ebook page of our website, www.sersea.com. And now, let's begin. Chapter 9, Exploring the Wine Country. Temecula Valley Wine Country. The allure of Temecula Valley's wine country. As a resident of Southern California, I have had the pleasure of exploring the diverse array of destinations within our region. One particularly captivating locale that has become a frequent destination for my weekend ventures is the renowned. Nestled in the heart of Riverside County, this picturesque wine region offers a captivating blend of award-winning wineries, picturesque vineyards, and gourmet dining experiences that make it a must-visit destination for enophiles and culinary enthusiasts alike. The journey to Temecula Valley begins as one navigates the rolling hills and winding roads that lead to this charming enclave. The sheer magnitude of the vineyards that stretch out before you is a sight to behold, with row upon row of lush, verdant vines that seem to dance in the gentle breeze. As you approach the heart of the wine country, the senses are immediately captivated by the aroma of ripening grapes and the gentle hum of activity that permeates the air. One of the true highlights of any visit to Temecula Valley is the opportunity to explore the region's renowned wineries. With over 40 wineries scattered throughout the picturesque landscape, visitors are spoiled for choice when it comes to discovering the unique and award-winning offerings that have made this region a premier destination for enophiles. From the grand, estate-style wineries with their sprawling tasting rooms and manicured grounds to the more intimate, family-owned operations, each establishment offers a distinct and memorable experience. Upon arriving at a winery, one is often greeted by a knowledgeable and enthusiastic staff who are eager to share the stories and histories behind their respective vintages. The process of wine tasting in Temecula Valley is truly an immersive experience, with visitors invited to stroll through the vineyards, observe the winemaking process, and engage in thoughtful discussions about the nuances of each varietal. Whether one's palate leans towards bold, full-bodied reds or crisp, refreshing whites, the wineries of Temecula Valley have something to delight every taste bud. In addition to the exceptional wines, the Temecula Valley wine country is also renowned for its stunning natural beauty. The rolling hills and sweeping vistas provide a picturesque backdrop for the sprawling vineyards, while the mild Mediterranean climate creates the perfect conditions for the cultivation of a diverse array of grape varietals. Visitors are encouraged to explore the region's many hiking trails, which offer breathtaking panoramic views of the vineyards and the surrounding countryside. One of the most enchanting aspects of the Temecula Valley wine country is the charming and welcoming atmosphere that permeates the entire region. The local community takes great pride in their winemaking heritage, and this sense of pride is evident in the warm hospitality extended to all who visit. Whether one is savoring a meticulously crafted vintage at a tasting room or enjoying a leisurely lunch at one of the region's acclaimed farm-to-table restaurants, the feeling of being immersed in a truly special and authentic experience is palpable. The culinary offerings in Temecula Valley are equally impressive, with a growing number of acclaimed chefs and restaurateurs drawn to the region's bounty of fresh, locally sourced ingredients. From upscale, gourmet eateries showcasing the region's finest wines to quaint, family-owned establishments serving up traditional Mediterranean fare, the dining options in Temecula Valley cater to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Many of the wineries themselves have also embraced the farm-to-table ethos, offering on-site restaurants that seamlessly pair their award-winning vintages with locally sourced, seasonal cuisine. For those seeking a truly immersive and unforgettable experience, Temecula Valley also offers a range of unique and exclusive experiences. Visitors can opt for private wine tastings, guided vineyard tours, or even hot air balloon rides that afford breathtaking bird's-eye views of the sprawling vineyards and the surrounding countryside. The region also hosts a number of festivals and events throughout the year, from the annual Temecula Valley Balloon and Wine Festival to the renowned Harvest Celebration, each offering opportunities to delve deeper into the rich history and culture of this remarkable wine country. In conclusion, the Temecula Valley wine country is a true gem within the diverse tapestry of Southern California's many attractions. With its award-winning wineries, picturesque vineyards, and exceptional culinary offerings, this region has become a must-visit destination for enophiles, food enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a truly immersive and authentic experience. Whether one is exploring the winding roads and hiking trails, savoring the nuances of a meticulously crafted vintage, or indulging in the region's gourmet delights, the Temecula Valley wine country promises to leave a lasting impression on the senses and the soul.
Delaware facts and places to visit. Welcome to our blog post on Delaware, a state that doesn't always get the recognition it deserves. Delaware is a small but mighty state with a rich history and many intriguing attractions and activities. Whether you're a resident or a visitor to the area, there's always something new to discover in this charming state. From quaint small towns to bustling cities, Delaware offers a unique blend of urban and rural settings that cater to just about any preference. In this blog post, we'll take a closer look at some of the most interesting facts about Delaware and some of the best places to visit when you're in the state. We'll start with an overview of Delaware's early history, which sets the foundation for the diverse culture and heritage that's still present today. Then, we'll dive into some of the state's most notable landmarks, museums, and outdoor spaces, so you can start planning your next trip to Delaware. Whether you're a history buff, an adventurer. 1. Delaware is the first state to ratify the U.S. Constitution. Delaware, USA, is known for being the first state to ratify the U.S. Constitution, making it a landmark destination for anyone interested in American history. On December 7, 1787, Delaware was the first of the 13 original colonies to ratify the Constitution, paving the way for the creation of the United States. Visitors interested in Delaware facts and information can visit the Delaware State House in the capital city of Dover, where the Constitution was officially ratified. At the State House, visitors can view exhibits highlighting Delaware's role in forming the U.S. government and its rich history. Delaware tourism also offers an opportunity to explore other historic sites, including the Delaware Historical Society Museum and the First State Heritage Park. 2. Its capital is Dover, the second smallest state capital in the U.S. Delaware, USA, is a small state located in the mid-Atlantic region of the United States. One of the interesting Delaware facts is that its capital is Dover, the second smallest state capital in the U.S. However, despite its modest size, Dover offers plenty of attractions for visitors interested in Delaware tourism. For example, history enthusiasts may appreciate visiting the Legislative Hall, an impressive building that houses the General Assembly of Delaware. The First State Heritage Park, which includes numerous historic sites and museums, is another popular tourist destination. From its quaint charm to its fascinating historic sites, there is much to discover in Delaware. 3. Dover is home to the Air Mobility Command Museum, the only military aviation museum in the country. Delaware, USA, is a state that boasts plenty of exciting things to discover, and one of the most unique attractions in the state is the Air Mobility Command Museum in Dover. This museum is the only military aviation museum in the country and presents visitors with an exciting opportunity to learn more about the history of military flight. The museum features many aircraft, from early propeller planes to modern transport planes, exhibits, and displays. Visitors can also explore some of the museum's outdoor displays, including various aircraft, engines, and equipment. The Air Mobility Command Museum is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Delaware facts, information, and Delaware tourism. It provides an exceptional opportunity to learn more about the state's rich military history. 4. The Rehoboth Beach Boardwalk is a popular tourist destination with arcades, restaurants, and souvenir shops. The Rehoboth Beach Boardwalk is one of Delaware, USA's most popular tourist destinations. Located in Sussex County, The Rehoboth Beach Boardwalk is a bustling promenade filled with numerous arcades, restaurants, and souvenir shops. The boardwalk stretches along the Delaware coast for around 1 mile and offers breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Visitors will find plenty of things to see and do along the boardwalk, including amusement rides, live entertainment, and local artists selling their wares. Additionally, the Rehoboth Beach Boardwalk is home to several festivals throughout the year, including the Sea Witch Festival, which takes place in October and draws visitors from around the country. Whether you're a local or a visitor to Delaware, the Rehoboth Beach Boardwalk is a must-see destination for anyone interested in Delaware tourism. 5. The state is home to the Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge, a 16,000-acre refuge known for its birdwatching opportunities. Delaware, USA, is a small state often overshadowed by its neighboring states. However, Delaware offers a unique blend of coastal towns, historical sites, and natural beauty, making it an excellent travel destination. One must-visit attraction is the Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge, covering 16,000 acres in Kent County, Delaware, known for its birdwatching opportunities. Visitors can explore the lush marshes and wetlands, home to various waterfowl, shorebirds, and other migratory birds. Over 300 species have been recorded at the refuge, making it a paradise for bird lovers. In addition to bird watching, visitors can enjoy hiking trails, wildlife drives, and guided tours. The Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge is a must-visit attraction for anyone interested in experiencing Delaware's natural wonders. In conclusion, Delaware may be tiny, but it packs a punch for interesting facts and places to visit. From outdoor attractions like the famous beach town of Rehoboth and the stunning Brandywine Valley to historical landmarks like Fort Delaware and the Hagley Museum, Delaware has something for everyone. As you plan your next vacation or weekend getaway, don't overlook this charming and often overlooked gem of a state.
Thank you for being part of today's podcast with Maestro Sersea, where English learners worldwide learn American English. Due to popular demand, we are now sharing educational podcasts 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. In the meanwhile, if you'd like to access a variety of educational offerings, feel free to visit our website at www.sersea.com. Learning American English takes discipline, motivation, and hard work. Keep up the good work.